Hello, Money Making Show. It's useful today again from Money Making Show. Yeah, and we are here on Make Money Online with Money Making Show. Right, time is very important, right? So, if you watch this video to the end, you learn how to earn more than $30 per hour from home. 5 ways to earn more than $30 per hour. 5 already proven working ways and sites and how to go about it. So, let's get started to the video. Very excited about this video. So before we start today's video, if you are new to this group, it's very free, very easy for you to join. Just click the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop new videos like this. When I got new ideas on how to make money from home, because I drop new videos, you can see new videos right here. I drop new videos, you can see videos I drop. I drop new video like this almost every single day, right? So feel free to click subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. But very important, look at this, very important, make sure you click the like button because this will make everyone to notify, also know how to make this money, because by liking this video, YouTube is going to recommend it for so many people. So make sure you hit the like button right now to appreciate this video. So as I was saying in the intro, time is money. So in this video, $30 per hour is just the beginning for you, right? So let's just get started to the main thing. Let's get started to the main thing I want to say about this thing. So what I'm doing right now is voiceover, right? And it's pretty easy to do because I can be reading what I'm just reading itself. I can be reading what I'm saying or just saying easily, maybe with less mistake, because it's not video. You're not going to be shy, or you don't need a very big professionalism to do it, because you are not facing camera, just saying what you are saying, what you are reading or something like that. So it's very easy to do. Just little practice and you are good to go. So today I will show you the secret to voiceover and how to earn more than $30 per hour from it. So it's very easy. First, you don't need anything, you don't need much or very expensive equipment. What you just need is, for starting, is maybe your laptop or your phone, or maybe say your earpiece, and of course you need the software. You don't need software that will change your voice, because they want a natural voice. That's why they are calling for voiceover jobs, right? So you just need like Audacity software and system, or that Audacity software will make it make your audio to be less noise. So we're going to reduce the noise or remove your noise from the audio. So just be natural and be confident about what you are saying, and be reading the script the way they want it. That is very simple about it. So in fact, some are using good earpiece to make thousands of dollars. So what you don't know. Just make sure you follow this video to the end, but follow the instruction. It's very key. So can you click the like button right now if you are feeling this video, if you are enjoying this video, just click the like button. Okay, so you don't need to do this on YouTube like I'm doing now, to posting it on YouTube and doing voiceover so you get 1,000 of subscribers before you start already. No, you don't need that. You don't need that at all. So start paying you right now. Just calm down. Let me show you the 5 ways, 5 sites, very proven and working site already. So after getting all those things I said, maybe your earpiece or whatever, or being professional, and you're going to be practicing about it. So what you are going to do is go to this site. When I show you the site, maybe if you know the site before and you can start going to the site, signing up, or just leave this video, make sure you calm down with these 5 sites. And after giving you these 5 sites, I'm going to tell you something very important. So calm down. The first site you need to go is people per hour. People per hour are paying so much awesome money for you to do voiceover for people in the world, right? See, like people per hour, I don't just give you any site like that. I don't just recommend sites like that. I recommend site that is very awesome and legit site. Look at it, seen on BBC, Business Side, CBN, sorry, CNBC, Forbes. So many people have already, so many big companies have recommended this site that is really working, right? So this site, they pay you per hours. You're gonna go there to find what they want and they're gonna pay for it. So let's go straight to the voiceover aspect of this site. So this voiceover aspect, look at it. Okay, look at this one, 33 per hour. You're gonna get $33 per hour for doing voiceover job, right? This one is gonna give you 79 per hour for, okay, this is going to be digital design and graphics. We are talking about a voiceover job, so you can just go right there and search voiceover, right? Search voiceover. So you're going to give you the list of jobs, list of people that have already listed job as they can do voiceover for you. So look at this, voiceover artist. So that is about $52 per hour. That's how much they are paying him. It's not magic. It's not something that is not true. It's really true. This one is it's $5 per hour. Look at it, about 761 reviews. Just calculate, even though it's 100 or 600 or let's say 300 people that will subscribe for this and get the job done. See how much this guy is making. It's $5 per hour, but you can't just jump right here and start making money. That's why I say you should calm down. I'm going to show you another site, like about, you can do this for about all these 5 sites. So of course 3 or 2 of them is going to be earning you money, so the rest you're just going to be building your portfolio little by little before you start making good money. I'm earning like $85 per hour like this too, or like $98 per hour, like $70 per hour like this, $100 per hour. I can start making that. So just start from somewhere and start building your portfolio. So where you're gonna start making money right now, I'm just gonna show you some sites, so that's where they're gonna pick you. You can just go right here and sign up and put in your portfolio. This is what you can do, this is what you can do, and before you know, you start making your money. So this people hour is very awesome, good to go site for you. So let's go straight to the second one. The second one is very simple one. So it is voices.com. Voices.com. See, this voice.com is used by world most trusted brands like Shopify has used this site, like Microsoft has used this site, like Discovery, like Bell, like GoDaddy, like Cisco, like Hulu. A lot of big brands has already used this site, and people are giving them great jobs and they are coming back for more for this site. So you can go guys to voice.com and post your job. Just click like you see post your job, sign up, and people will start. Make your brand look so awesome, so big, make everything look so cool about you for yourself, make everything look professional, guys. So nobody's knowing where you are. Maybe you're in kind of one corner, maybe you are outside, nobody knows. Maybe you don't have money, nobody knows. So just make sure you are confident and put everything clean on the portfolio for yourself. So that's what you can do. These voices is very easy to join. Just click sign up and give your job that you can do voiceover. They can send you script, that is script you're gonna do voiceover for, and be very awesome about it for yourself. So very awesome, very natural about this. So another site you can go about is Fiverr. Fiverr is a very big site, a big brand site, but so many people has already used Fiverr. It's not going to be like a new site from you because it's a big company. Fiverr.com, you see like Facebook, Google, MIT, Netflix, PayPal, P&G has already used this site before to make money from. I've already used this site before to request for voiceover and other jobs like that. So look at this. This is popular on Fiverr, voiceover. That means that so many people are coming in to request for voiceover jobs. So very easy. You can go to Fiverr and sign up and become a kind of maybe a seller. You're going to be selling your voice for people that need it. It's very easy for $5. That's what they say $5. That's what they say Fiverr, but you can sell it for more than $5 too. So let's just go straight to the voiceover aspect of Fiverr. Okay, this is the voiceover aspect of Fiverr. So look at this one, it's selling $5 per script they send. This one is $5, this one is $20, you see. This one is $10. You can put any amount you want. Just being professional about it for yourself. So look at this, selling for $20. Look at this, selling for $10, for $25. So just put what you can do there, and maybe if you have some examples you've done before, just list it down there. So let's go another one. This is another site. This is the fourth site. It's going to be voice123.com. These are very great sites also, because there are so many big brands that have already make use of this site. Let's say brands. Okay, look at this. like Coca-Cola, like A&B, B&E, like 3M, NBC, 21st Century Fox. So many sites trusted this site that so many brands trust this site that they can deliver very awesome voiceover jobs. This is particularly only for voiceover. So you can go straight down right here, click the sign up, and post your project of your profile, and people start coming in for you. Make sure you deliver a very good job and people will love it for you and pay you for that. And the next one is going to be voicebonny.com. Voicebonny.com is the last one, and if you can just subscribe for all these 5 sites, of course one or two of them you're going to be earning money from one or two of them. Like this one, voicebonny.com. Voicebonny.com is trusted by Disney, by Airbnb, like by Dell. So you can just go straight there and click the sign up button and start posting your voiceover jobs or your examples that you've uploaded before on Fiverr, maybe on People Power, as I explained earlier. So just one thing I wanted to know is that be very buoyant, kind of be confident about what you are doing. Nobody knows where you are coming from or whatever, so just put yourself in the big brand aspect of yourself and you are good to go. So today's video is just about all these 5 sites and how to start about it, how to start it and how to start making your first $65 from it. It's very simple to do. As I said earlier, get the accessories you need, go straight to these 5 sites, upload the same kind of profile and portfolio on these sites, and you are good to go. With this, trust me, you can earn more than $30 per hour and thousands of dollars monthly. Click the like button right now, comment thank you if you appreciate this video, and thank you very much. It's useful for money making. If you're not making money, it's not making sense. Peace out.